Smart homemaker is not someone who looks around and has the urge to have everything at home. Sometimes finding different ways in order to save money effectively, which actually results in your house bills at the end of the month. Organizing or keeping your home clean, tidy, and beautiful is very, very important. But in that process, if you can save money, then it will be sone pe suhaga. Namaste, I am Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to share some effective ways you can save money at home while keeping it clean and organized. So let's begin. I think I can't stress enough how valuable water is. There is water scarcity worldwide, and if this generation doesn't do enough to save water, we would leave big troubles for our next generation. The rejected water from RO goes wasted. If that water is saved, it can be used to clean bathrooms, floors, balconies, and you can also save some money on your water bill. Under the sink, I have intentionally left this area like this so that we can keep buckets here to collect the rejected water from our RO. Now, it's very easy to extend this pipe. You can get this pipe online or ask your RO service guy to extend the pipe with the help of this connector. And then whenever we switch on our RO, this wastewater is collected here. And I can very proudly say we never take water from the tap in the morning for mopping. My maid is also trained in the same way to use this water for cleaning. Now, often when people see this area, I get many questions regarding at what point it looks like a modular kitchen. I agree. But when at the end of the day I see how I'm using this water at home gives me a good night's sleep. Also, the water which comes out from your AC can also be collected and used in the same way. To make your living or drawing room look beautiful, decor and furnishing plays an important role. But always going with the trend, usual stuff can be a little too much on your pocket. Instead of buying the costlier carpets for 5,000 or say 10,000 rupees, go and support the local artisans and buy rugs or dari from them. And you know, it looks very, very beautiful, and at the same time, it's very much cheap and maintenance free. It can be easily cleaned in your washing machine at home. I just fold it nicely and keep it in a paper bag. I have plenty of them, and every season I like to switch. It gives a fresh feel in my living room. To make our home look beautiful, try to adopt a sustainable lifestyle. Bring in the tendency to reuse things. Don't buy too much stuff from the market. Think of what you already have inside your home. Use table runners, old bed sheets, and placemats to cover sofa. Like this bed sheet, it's small for my bed, so I cut it in half to use it as a sofa cover. If your beautiful bedsheet somehow ruined, this could be one of the best ways to use it to make your home look beautiful. Simple, and also people ask me from where I got this cover. But the truth is, it's a bedsheet. Also, I use most of the time table runners to cover the sitting part of the sofa. It also looks very pretty. Just a bit of twist and you're looking at an option. In the same way, to protect my light colored sofa's armrest, I use table placemat, which again saves a lot of money. Whenever you're buying things, look at it and see how it can be used in multiple ways. For example, bed sheets. We all know good bed sheets are expensive and I shop locally mostly. So I choose them wisely, like this bed sheet can be used as a dohar and also as a bed sheet, which gives me the opportunity to create different looks with a single bed sheet. Similarly, this is also another bed sheet which I use as a dohar at night and also again as a bed sheet. And it also has a matching comforter. So the idea is to always look for opportunities to maximize the use of items you buy. You all might have brought some of the things during your impulse shopping like I do while I shop for bed sheets, cushion covers, or kitchen towels. I never end up using these pretty kitchen towels, but still, I found an interesting and decorative way to use them around in my kitchen. You can use it to cover electrical appliances which you must have kept on the kitchen countertop. Simply cover with these towels to keep dust away. Also, sometimes one or two cushion covers from the set get ruined and we stop using that set. But what about the rest of the items in the set? You can use them to cover the electrical appliances. Keep cushion covers over your toaster, mixer grinder to cover them. And also in the same way you can use if you have extra pillow covers at your home to cover these appliances. You don't have to buy covers from the market to keep them away from the dust, and it will eventually save money also. One load every day is a good way to keep the laundry pile low. But then also you have to understand if the load is very low, say you just have 2 to 3 pairs of clothes in a laundry basket, then I would suggest to wait for one more day. This will be more effective for the smaller families. Families like mine have to do one load every day. If you make your choices clear, you can save money while doing laundry and eventually keep your electricity bill in check. We often make a list when we ran out of something to have a track to buy them on the next visit to the supermarket. But that's not enough because I have made this mistake many times in my life. Make a point to check your pantry before going out and see, write down the things which you already have at home or simply take a picture so that you won't overstock anything which you already have. And in this way, you will also know about the things you need to finish first, or if there are things approaching their expiry date. Make sure to keep them on the top so that you can finish it first. So, just making the list for the items you ran out is not enough. It needs more comprehensive routine to be on the top of your pantry management. We can't completely stop using the paper towels or tissue paper inside our kitchen. It can be definitely reduced to an extent unless you are dealing with something oily. And so its daily usage can be easily avoided if you switch to the cloth napkins. Now, when you store rotis or chapatis, try not to line the box with tissue or paper towel. Use either cloth roti covers like these or get small muslin clothes from the market and get them stitched from the sides. Use them like this to avoid sogginess when you keep rotis. But for a very long time, I have been using this steel roti box, which comes with a steel net plate. It needs to be kept at the bottom. Keep the rotis over it, and this plate will help to avoid sogginess, which in terms is a good option if you're looking for something to avoid everyday use of paper. Investing in good products can never be related to money. When we keep money sorted in terms of not wasting it unnecessary, we can do so many things to pamper ourselves. Recently, to pamper my skin, I ordered this Agaro Rose Quartz face roller. This face roller set is made of rose quartz, which helps in diminishing fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to stimulate the blood circulation, promote collagen production, reduces puffy eyes and dark circles. It's 3-in-1 multifunctional massager which helps in toning, cleansing, and massaging. Just apply your face serum and then use this roller to massage it. You have to put a battery, and from here you can start. And see, the vibration started. This is an electric roller which helps a lot. Use it to massage in correct direction. These massaging heads can be changed according to your need. Like this one can be used if you see bloating on your face. This one helps to reduce puffiness around your eyes. Just apply your under eye cream and massage it with this tool. It comes with proper certification to check its authenticity, and this can be used to massage around your jaws. Overall, we as women work throughout the day and try to manage everything nicely. This pamper session for 10 to 15 minutes every day before bed or in the morning is very much relaxing. Give it a try and find the links in the description box. Meal planning is an important activity catering to money, health, and time management. So, if you use Ziploc bags for storing the veggies, then I would suggest please stop using it right away. First, it's not good for the environment, and second, when you close the bag, there's no air to keep veggies fresh for long. So, switch to something which is economical and also environmental friendly. So either use these kind of mesh bags or such cotton drawstring bags. I use it to keep vegetables in them, and it can also be used again and again, unlike the plastic bags. Choose from these options and save money if you're using Ziploc pouches. Drawstring and zip makes it easy to use and then keep the vegetables inside the fridge. Like paper towels, the frequent use of paper straws is also not good. Consumes lot of money and then again not good for the environment. So switch the use of paper straws to the steel ones. It's easy to clean also. Sometimes people don't use it simply because we think we have to clean it. Just use small brush like this, put soap and insert it inside and give it a nice scrub and voila, you're done. Kids also enjoy using such permanent things specifically meant for them. Like this straw belongs to my son and he always have fun using it. Now to make our daily life easy, we have so many shopping apps which actually delivers our daily staples in a few minutes. And I really admire them for making our life so much easier. Just a button away and all the needs will be sorted. But still, there are few things I don't like to buy from these shopping apps. Vegetables are one of them. In my experience, sometimes you don't get fresh veggies, sometimes they are overpriced. As here you can see the difference between the fresh veggies I got from local mandi and the ones I got online. I ordered raw mango for making chutney and see the difference. These are ripe and the ones I got from local greengrocer are fresh. I am all vocal for locals, so mostly now I do vegetable shopping from a local greengrocer. I like to visit mandi and buy fresh veggies from there. Order your everything from there when you need something urgent, but vegetables should be fresh from the farm. This is it for today's video and I really hope you are going to find all these tips useful. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. I will see you next time with another exciting video. Till then, enjoy, take care and bye-bye.